Sure, we know beautiful people with a square shaped face, round shaped face, and so on. But the heart shaped face, otherwise more commonly known as a V shaped face, has been scientifically proven to be the most visually attractive face shape to have. So, today you're going to know what your face shape says about you. Welcome to our YouTube channel Backpack. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this. Number 1. Rectangular face shape. This shape is squared off at the forehead and chin. People with this type of face shape value logic and are really good thinkers, but they often overthink. They are usually planners in some way and don't often talk about their feelings. However, they do work out regularly. They have to work off inner tension that results from constantly living in their own heads. Number 2. Rounded face shape. A round face shape is characterized by a wide hairline and fullness below the cheekbones. This face shape typically means you are a people person who is very giving and kind and always puts people first. The downside to this is that you can tend to put people first too much and then you don't get what you need from the relationship. This type of mentality can attract narcissistic people, but you can change that by realizing you are an overgiver and not always make others the priority over yourself. Number 3. Diamond face shape. This shape is wide in the middle and pointed towards the forehead and chin. This refers to someone who likes to take control and wants things a certain way. They are also very detail oriented and because of that they produce quality work. This is someone who can be very precise with their words and communicates well. That said, they can also be sharp with their words too if you cross them the wrong way. Number 4. Oval face shape. An oval face is longer than wide with a jaw that is narrower than at the cheekbones. This person always knows all the right things to say so they can make someone feel welcome and comfortable. That said, sometimes they can be too focused on saying all the right things. Number 5. Square face shape. This face shape is characterized by a wide hairline and jawline. It typically refers to someone who is really gung-ho and into taking on huge projects because they have so much stamina. Number 6. Heart face shape. This is when you have a wider forehead and a narrower chin. It speaks to someone who has incredible inner strength but can also be stubborn because they are so strong-minded. They are like little energizer bunnies, but their strength is not from stamina, it's about inner power. They can be pushy and steamroll you, so if they have a goal, they are going to keep going for it. They also have a strong intuition, like an inner knowing, so they know when to make moves. They are also very creative, so you often see performers who have strong chins and widow's peaks which can accompany this face shape. Number 7. Pear or triangular face shape. This facial shape is narrower at the forehead and wide at the jawline. This shape means you usually want to be in charge. And the narrower your forehead is at the top of your head, the more you have to be in control. But because you're so driven, you're often very successful. Though no matter which face shape you have, all of us have our own special qualities and traits that we can be proud of. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this.